Well, for the new names, it's a little bit soon to say. I prefer to keep them for me. Nevertheless, yes, there is a strong interest from Asia and Middle East, and some sovereign fund which were totally close to invest in listed companies, and for a few months, a couple of them finally opened a business plan to some potential investment in the listed sector, which is quite new. Okay. And so after this conference, I will meet a couple of them. So that's a very good news.
So this is the first time that they've actually chosen to invest in a listed vehicle rather than either direct or through a fund?
Yes.
We've seen CIC. It was interesting to come to Paris as an example. Norges Bank as well. Different, sovereign funds that that we mentioned before. What we can see also is most of the pension fund that we used to have in our funds, in terms of discretionary money that want to invest in direct, so we can tease these guys investing direct in the markets. I don't know how long it's going to take because they don't have, especially the team to manage the asset, but, they don't want to invest in discretionary funds anymore, so they want to go, direct investment on the market. So there's a lot of new entrants. In terms of value add or opportunistic money, we've seen Blackstone very active on the market recently in France. We've seen KKR as well going back and trying to invest on the market. So there's a lot of money, core money, much more core money probably because Paris still, interests a lot of core buyers. But also value add and opportunistic money. And the last thing I wanted to say is that, is just to say to Roland that if it struggles to find some investors who seek financing, I do seek financing. So, I'm next to you. So.